Most companies want to use AI in their products, but very few know where to start or why their AI initiatives fail. In the next few minutes, we will break down exactly how enterprises integrate AI into product development step by step. This is not theory. This is the same AI integration framework used across enterprises-grade products. We will start with the current AI market, move through the full integration lifecycle, and end with how to build an AI-powered product the right way. AI adoption has moved from experimentation to execution. Enterprises are no longer asking if they should use AI. They're asking how to integrate it responsibly, securely, and at scale. And the biggest differentiator today is not technology, it's process. Now let's break down that process. AI integration happens in multiple phases. Phase 1 is defining the objective. Every failed AI product shares one common issue: objectives that are not well defined. AI must work, it's a tool, not a trend. It should be able to solve a measurable business problem. Next comes the phase 2, collecting the relevant data. Once the objective is clear, data becomes the foundation. User behavior, transactions, and operations. The right data defines the accuracy of the AI. Phase 3, preparing the data. Raw data creates unreliable AI. Cleaning, structuring, and labeling data is often the most time-consuming and the most critical step. And this is exactly where many AI initiatives break down. Phase 4, designing the AI model. The model must match the use case: machine learning, deep learning, NLP, or computer vision. There is no one-size-fits-all. Phase 5 is training the model. Training is iterative. Models improve over time by learning from the patterns and feedback. Phase 6 is evaluating the model. So, before deployment, AI must be validated for accuracy, bias, and reliability, especially in the enterprise environments. Phase 7 is deploying the model. Deployment connects intelligence to real users through APIs, cloud infrastructure, and scalable systems. Phase 8, monitor and maintain. So AI models degrade without monitoring. Continuous learning ensures long-term performance. So how do you turn this process into a real product? AI-powered product starts with AI-first strategy. Strong data architecture, secure scalable infrastructure, and AI embedded into the user experience, not layered on top. That's how intelligence becomes value. This approach is what we apply when building enterprise-grade AI products. At Apptunix, we help businesses across the entire AI journey, from strategy and data pipelines to deployment and scale. Our teams focus on secure, compliant, and future-ready AI solutions built for enterprise growth. If you are exploring AI for your product, you can book a free AI strategy call with Apptunix. And hey, click the link in the description below and fill out a short form. Our experts will help you identify the right AI opportunities. Also, subscribe for more insights on AI product strategy and digital transformation. See you in the next one.